Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to dear students in our Bangara Monochan online class. I hope that you are doing very well in this disastrous moment. So all of you, we all know that we are passing the moment of disastrous moment, that is coronavirus moment. So be impatient and ensure that tomorrow will be better from today. So I hope that you will do better in your future life. All of my students, this is the English class for the students of class 7 and 8. I am Mr. Abdul Qayyum, Assistant Teacher English, Bangara Monochan High School, Muradnagar, Kumilla. Today I will draw a very important topic, that is article. Dear students, you know that article is an important topic for all sphere of our life, like the class from the start 6 to degree and master's level, and those who want to know the real meaning and the real theme of literature of English language, of any article of English, you must be known to English. Without knowing article, a man cannot perfect to reform any sentence, to collaborate and reform the meaning of the sentence. So let us discuss about the topic, that is article. You know that article a, an and the are called article. Dear students, what do you mean by article? Article means a, an and the. These three elements are the part of adjective. So, article is called another name of adjective. So, a and b is article. There are two kinds of article. First, indefinite. Second, definite. Indefinite, a or an, and indefinite, b. So dear student, there are two kinds of article. First of all, indefinite, and second is definite. The is called the definite article, and then an are the indefinite article. First of all, we will have to know how to make use them. So in my first class, I will try to show my coded level to know and to inform how to make the article, like indefinite article. So let us talk and let us try how to make use them. Use of a or an. The first rule: if the sentence in middle side or first side starts with vowel, if we vocalize with vowel, it will become an. We know that there are 5 kinds of vowel. First, a, I, o, u, e. These are element of vowel. So if the sentence vocalizes a vowel, it will become an. This is an apoc. So dear students, if the sentence has been vocalized with vowel, for this reason it will become an. And the second rule is if the sentence vocalizes consonant. In that particular moment it will be a. So the example is here. This is a great one. This is a great one. So G is called here consonant. For this reason, it will become A. and the roll is heard. If the sentence in the middle side with the sound, with the vocalize, if we vocalize H, if we do not sound the H, it will become N. It will become N. So he is an honest man. Honest is omitting word here is. So for this it will become N. The roll number 4. If the sentence starts with O, if we vocalize O, wa, if we starts the sentence with O, and then if the sentence vocalizes wa, instead of wa, it means a. So it will be a. And then number is 5. If we vocalize E, if we vocalize E, U, if we vocalize U, E means U. Instead of E, it will be A. So he is a European man. Though E is the example of vowel, it will become A. Number is 5. Dear students, look at here. There is a university in Sylhet. There is a university in Sylhet. U. If we vocalize university. If we vocalize U means U. Instead of this, it will become A. So there is a university in Sylhet. There is a university in Sylhet. Number is 6. Mr. Taru is an MA. Dear student, if you notice here, MA, Masters of Arts, MSc, MRCP, MBBS. If the starts with this designation, if the designation with the sound of vowel, instead of this vowel, it will be N. So, Mr. Taru is an MA. Another example is here. Dr. Samir is an FRCS. So FRCS is the kind of degree. For this reason, F. If we vocalize F, So AF. A is the example of vowel. For this reason it will be N. So Dr. Samir is an FRCS. And then another example, he is an MA in English. So M. If we vocalize M, N. So instead of MA, it will be N. I hope that, dear students, if you try more and more at your home, you will be able to know and you will be able to understand how to make use them. So now I will give you some example about indefinite article and exercise. He is dash good boy. I saw dash lame man. 3. This is dash famous book. Number is 4. There is dash primary school in our village. Number is 5. Dr. Dilwar is dash MBBS. Number is 6. He gave me dash book. Number is 7 is here. Mizan gave me dash nice pen. Number is 8. You are dash Najrul, I see. Mr. Salahuddin is dash BA from National University and the number is 10. Dr. Safwan is dash FCPS. So, all of my dear students, if you do practice at your home, I hope that you can write to any example of indefinite article. So, for today, I had tried to make best, and I had tried to tell something about the very important topic, that is article. This is my first part, and another second part I will discuss in another day. So for today, I hope that you will be fine, and tomorrow will be better from today. For now, Allah Hafiz.